What's up, guys? Y'all like it up here? What's up, guys? It's Marisaaabel. Welcome back to another video. And yes, I have the Z with me, 370Z. Y'all like my coat? It's a black Nike coat. I kind of matched the car, I'm not gonna lie, with the little like white right here. Yeah. So it is currently nighttime, as you guys can see. Man, does he look nice as fuck like that at night? I haven't seen this car fully at night, but I'm seeing it right now. Go ahead and give you guys a nighttime POV, downtown nighttime POV. My Altima will be coming back on the channel. But, ooh, look at this thing, it's so pretty. It's really warm. Y'all need to get y'all one. Man, y'all better like this video, subscribe if you're new, and comment down below. That should look fire. We be doing hella burnouts right here, or donuts. I don't know what they be doing. I'm gonna be one of them one day. One day, not with this car, my own car.
Follow in my footsteps, I say hello, 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 hello. You can't do what I do, that's just something you don't. I make this look easy from the way that I told you.
Guys, I'm gonna show you how I do a donut. What? And I hope you guys do enjoy. Like legit, that's New York right there. Like that's how close we are. It would be nicer if it was summer. Look, that's pretty as hell, right? Yeah, I know y'all like that. Parking probably sucks here. Whew. I don't know, I can't live in a city. I'll live like around it, but like living in it, nah. I can't do it. It's nice, but I can't live in it. Parking like this will piss me off. Like I need to make sure I have a parking lot or a garage or something, because parking like this in the street, and imagine in winter. Woo, winter's probably worse because of snow, and these streets are so little. Like I don't know. Let's go on this trip. Can we make a right here? I mean, well, don't turn right, but I'm saying like in general, can you make a right? Oh yeah, you can. Okay. Oh, okay. Go ahead, do your thing, cause there ain't a cop right there. Go ahead, do your thing. Okay, go ahead, do your thing. Okay, because there ain't a cop right there. Okay, I'm good. Okay. Ooh, we got skills. Gotta do what you gotta do so you don't have to make a whole entire U-turn, right? The famous strip. We got Panera Bread there, Vitamin Shop, Starbucks Cafe. Yeah, it can definitely be speeding here. Avocado. Avocado is good. Well, I prefer eating guacamole, not like avocado itself. Damn, here there's definitely like no turns on red, no turn on red. Like I'd be turning on red, but not obviously when it says no turn on red. Pretty like busy for like 8:30. I'm not gonna lie, I thought it was gonna like not be as busy, but it is busy. are those? I haven't seen like a nice car yet. Damn, you're pretty close to that black car. I feel bad for that car. Yo, why did you do that? Like, you stopped mad random. Nah, I don't think there's anything like on the side streets. Just like this way. Yeah, let's go to this bridge right here. All right, we're back. What happened? Thought you was gonna turn. We got City Hall right there. Damn, people here don't give 2 fucks. Alright, so we started mainly like in the middle. Now we're in the beginning. So this is the beginning. Yo, these little ass bikes be everywhere. I don't like that. Like, hell no. Imagine like, I mean, you're not supposed to be speeding, but just like still, imagine you're speeding. Yeah, it's too much traffic. Sheesh. Now I see why you can't really make a turn, because these little ass bikes be in the way. They ain't gonna hit them. I don't got time. Alright, so we definitely passed this. So I think that's pretty much this little ass strip. We got the police right there. Oh my gosh, we got the police right there. Ah! I know this town is known for like clubbing and stuff. Like a lot of people come here to go clubbing. Yo. Shaking my head. One way, one way. All right, let's go this way. All right, so these are side streets, and there's really not much on side streets. Side streets just like parking, pretty much, and housing and stuff, people's apartments. So there's really not much here. Yep. These streets are stupid small though. Yeah, them shits is not it. What happened here? Alright, y'all. I gotta get some gas. Gas tank on this side. Kind of nervous. This shit only got 1 bar. Damn, why everything closed? Alright, this one's open. Alright, moment of truth. We gotta fill this baby up. Y'all see that? Right here. Nothing. Gas is $3.13 if I'm not mistaken. Oh no, I forgot. I gotta put premium. So $371.93. Sheesh. All right, moment of truth. Only because like I haven't experienced how much it would really cost me if it's on E. So we're gonna do this right now, and it does take 93. So this shit is gonna be like crazy. Hi, can you fill it up? 93. $66. That's not bad. I know some people have it worse. I had it at, I think, not even like a little bit, half a tank, and I filled it up. So that was like $40. 66.26 plus $40 in total. I put $106.26 in this car just for gas alone, and that was like legit in 1 week. That shit is crazy. I'll catch you guys next time.